Hello, today I wanted to talk about universal chargers. Not only to show you how batteries are charged using these universal chargers, but also some features that help you to understand if your battery works fine, if you purchased a battery which has the capacity claimed by the manufacturer, or you bought some batteries that actually are of a lower quality than it was claimed while you were buying it. How do we do that? So now the chargers are becoming more and more advanced, and they include electronic analytical features which can show you the voltage of the battery, the charging capacity of the battery, and they can charge the battery independently at what position you insert them. So this charger is really practical in these terms. First of all, it can be connected to any USB adapter by using any USB adapter from any device. And you can charge several types of batteries here of different size, voltage and capacity. These are small AAA batteries. This is a standard AA battery, and this is a larger battery which is called usually 18650 lithium-ion battery. When we buy batteries, we usually want them to last longer, and I prefer buying battery with larger capacities, but sometimes you buy them and you realize that they're not as lasting as you expected. For example, this claims it has 1100 milliamperes, while regular batteries would provide 750 milliamperes. So how do we check that? Let's start first of all why this universal charger is really practical. In the past, you had to make sure you inserted the batteries correctly. You had to know where the plus and the minus are. For this charger, it doesn't matter. You just insert it and it starts charging. You change the polarity and it automatically detects how to charge it. Then you can check the voltage of the battery. It says voltage. And then by pushing this button again, you can check how many milliamperes entered the battery. So up to now, 4 milliamperes have passed into the battery. And this is how you determine when the battery gets charged, how much capacity it really has. Let's say the battery was drained to the point that the device doesn't work. You put the battery in and you can check how much milliamperes went into the battery. Let me put it this way, because this battery is small and it's not touching well the metal contacts. When in the end you will see here the message full. When the battery gets charged, you will then be able to push this button and check how many milliamperes went through into the battery. And then you can see how much time it took the battery to charge. This information will also help you to know how much time your battery needs to get charged. Now let's put another battery. This charger can accept different sizes. That's why this contact here moves up and down. So let me introduce this battery inside. And now you see it switched to channel 2. As you can see, all channels are marked, and you can go from one channel to another one. You press the first channel button, you see information about this battery, milliamperes, time, voltage of the battery. The voltage data also shows you how much charge it got. The voltage data will also help you to know how much time is left for your battery to get charged. For example, this battery shows us 1.2 voltage, and it means that it's probably almost charged. because when you charge the batteries, usually they go a little bit over the limit charge, and it's normal. Now, second battery also is probably almost charged. Let's check the voltage of this battery. It says 1.2 volts, so this battery is also almost charged. So after switching from one channel to another, you can keep pressing the same button and go through the data that's provided by the charger. And let's try the largest battery here. This one is a little bit different. The way it works, it detects first of all the maximum voltage of the battery, and it says 3.7, which is correct, because we have here also indication that this battery is 3.6 voltage battery. And then once this number stops blinking, you can also go through the data. Milliamperes going into the battery and time spent to charge the battery. These chargers are sold in larger sizes where you can charge more than 4 batteries. And especially if you play with a lot of toys, it's better to get a larger one. And now this charger has a regular old standard USB socket, but now it would be a better idea to buy the ones that have USB-C type sockets, which would mean that you can charge batteries faster. It's especially important when you have a lot of batteries in one charger.